Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rock. Finally getting to this '91 Honda Fourtrax 300 4x4. I picked it up about a week ago and haven't had the time to get to it. Waiting on some parts for some other machines. So yeah, let's check this thing out. The tires are obviously flat. It's been sitting a long time. I'm not sure how long, but it's actually in overall pretty good shape. It's for the age anyways. The tank looks pretty good on the outside, but I cannot open this up at all. Um, yeah, no, I'm gonna have to get some good pliers on that thing to actually get it free. And then the only other thing I noticed, the exhaust is rotted basically. So, well, let's get to it. Let's see if we can make this thing run today. First thing I'm gonna do here is blow up the tires if they take any air. Hopefully they do. So I was able to get a little bit of air in them, but they seem to be leaking out for the most part. So not a big deal. First thing I want to do is check that fuel tank. I'm expecting horrible results, but I got an oil filter wrench here that I think will work great for me. Let's see. There we go. Didn't take a lot. That is what I was not looking forward to. That is rough. Check that out. Pretty rusty. I'm not sure if that tank's salvageable or not. Might have to buy something different. Unfortunately. Just because it looks good on the outside doesn't mean it is. We'll pull the tank and then I'm going to check. Well, first thing we'll do, let's go ahead and check the let's check to make sure this thing's got some oil in it. Because I'd hate to start this thing up if it was bone dry on oil. So. Let's see. These Hondas require you to screw the dipstick in all the way and then pull it out. Yeah, I'm not reading anything on the dipstick. A little hard to see, but we'll put some oil in there and then we'll continue. So these Hondas, or pretty much any standard or semi-automatic ATV, anything with a clutch basically requires a motorcycle oil, or as long as it's wet clutch safe. In this Shell Rotella 540, I run in almost everything I get. Honestly, it's fairly good. I mean, I buy it by the bulk because my pickup uses it, and I've heard a lot of people love the stuff. I like it. I haven't had any issues with any machines. Never had a slipping wet clutch from this, so I find it's good oil. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't take too much. Hard to tell. Yeah, we're pretty good there. So that'll be good to start it anyways, or try to start it. Hoping I can hear this thing run. Definitely not going to have that tank on it. Probably steal the plastic Moto 4 tank I got for now. So first thing I'm going to do is remove this fuel tank. it'll be easier for me to see the she sounds pretty crusty. Oh my goodness. Is that oh boy. Yeah, the tank is garbage. I'll pull it off and you'll see what I mean. All right, so oh, that's too bad. Look at that. That is rough. Rough. Wow. There's no save to the no save to that fuel tank, unfortunately. So I'll be looking for one of them. Certainly. I guess it'll make a good decoration or something. So I'm gonna pull the carb off, but I want to check for fire first because that's pretty important. That's very important. We definitely need spark. All right, so we'll pull this plug off, 18 millimeter. See what we got going here. Put that there. Yeah, that's right. This thing's got no juice, so we'll have to put a booster pack on it. Battery's hidden under this panel here. All right, looks like they get the battery disconnected, so never know, might be good. But we got this little booster pack. Let me show you here. This thing, I don't know if you guys watched the last video. I was boosting the Moto 4200. I cranked that thing over a lot. This thing used up it's got 5 bars. It used up 2 bars, and I haven't charged it since. So I'm going to see how it does on this Honda also. All right, so we got that hooked up. We're going to boost. Make sure our key switch is on, kill switch is on. Neutral light came on this thing, so it's handy. And then we're going to see if we get any fire. Well, for one, I hope the electric start works. If not, we do have a backup recoil on this. So let's see. And unfortunately, I didn't see anything. Try it again. Oh. Try it again here. Let's see. I'm not seeing any spark on that whatsoever. Might have some bigger problems. I'm gonna just try this real quick. Yeah, nothing at all because I didn't get zapped. I don't recommend doing that. I just that's how I check for real quick. All right, what do we got going on? All right, so I checked voltage at my coil, and I didn't get anything. So I started looking around at the wiring harness and whatnot, and what I found, I'm an unobservant. Of course, hard to see if you're not really looking these things over. Right there, we're missing our CDI box. So that would explain why this thing's not firing. A good thing is I might have one. I don't know. I gotta go check. So I'll be back. All right, guys. So luckily I did have one in stock here. Just a cheap aftermarket one from eBay. This thing is, I'm glad I get it. It's actually, I keep a lot of parts in stock, but let's go ahead and throw this thing on there. Now all it does is go up in there and It just plugs into them 2 plugs, and that's it. So I got the new CDI box installed. Let's go ahead and see what we got now. We should have a better chance. Alright, still nothing. Oh, that's not good. We got some electrical problems. See that smoke? Alright, what did we do? Just fry our CDI probably? Sure smells like it. Yeah, wow. Look at the CDI box. It boiled right over. So I got some major wiring harness issues. So I don't know if I got a good deal on this thing or not. I paid $600 for it. Gonna need a new tank. Gonna need new, I don't know. Gonna figure out the wiring issue. Let me know what you guys think. If I got a good deal or not, we'll find out later on. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll to be continued.